Over the next few months, I've been working with both Wix and Shopify. So there's no better one, only the one that fits your brain. So Wix, let's talk a little bit more about which one fits for you the best, and a few things that I've learned so far between both of them. So first of all, speaking about the visuals, the two philosophies, for example, between the Wix and the Shopify. Now, as I told you, there's no better one, there's only the one that fits your brain. Now, Wix, in one hand, for example, this is a website builder that learned to sell, and the Shopify is a store manager that learned to look pretty, for example. So let's struggle with this. Let's see what happens with the struggle which we picked on our one other for this 2026 into the launch. So first of all, I'd like to talk about the design experience, because the Wix Studio is the winner for the creative freedom, if you asked me, because Wix Studio lets you move every pixel. If you wanted to buy heavy brand, Wix is your canvas. Now they have an AI agent that can be helping you with marketing agents, front desk agent, custom agent. It can be helping you to focus into specific tools, specific applications to make this happen. Now, Shopify, on the other hand, is a little bit more rigid. You work in sections, but with the new sidekick artificial intelligence that I can show you, which is appearing to the upper right corner, this can literally tell it make my homepage, for example, look like a luxury watch brand, and it builds it for you. So, a little bit of a warning here is that Wix gives you freedom, but can break your mobile view easily. Now, Shopify, for example, is guardrail design. It's hard to make a Shopify store look bad onto the phone, which I think is going to be really grateful if you wanted to be focusing on in, let's say, making sales right away. I think the Shopify for a website creation, adding your products, and let's say set it up an actual website. Shopify is really simple, but Wix has a little bit more, let's say, offers or tools that can be helping you for focusing into marketing, to get some sales, and to get some real deals there. So Shopify backend is a beast because they can be helping you managing the inventory across the TikTok. There's Amazon, your site is seamless. There's the Google and the YouTube element, which also appears into the actual Wix. Now, Wix has an actual improve, which is the digital booking and digital downloads better than the Shopify out of the box, because for the high volume shipping, Shopify fulfillment network is the actual king. Now, something that nobody talks a little bit about Wix and Shopify are the costs, the hidden app taxes, if you might say. Now, both the Shopify and the Wix, they start around $29 per month, I believe so. But look at the actual applications. On the Shopify, for example, basic plan, they feature star reviews or better search, all the require $10 per month application. It adds up a little bit fast. They do have a lot of applications that you can download totally for free if you have an actual plan already been available. Back into Wix, they include more for free, which is the email marketing, the CEO tools, the loyalty program. Usually built it in, Wix is cheaper for the all-in-one solopreneur. So if you wanted to see everything directly, let's say focusing more into your marketing rather than the creation of your website, I think Wix can be really affordable for you. Now, who wins between the two of them? Well, you can pick Wix if you are a creative, a service provider, or selling a small boutique collection. Basically, I am not focusing a lot into my website creation. I am focusing more into the marketing of my products, marketing of my, in this case, what it has to do with my company. And speaking about the Shopify, you can pick it if you wanted to build like a brand. I sell globally, never worry about your site crashing during a flash sale. Shopify offers you lots and truly lots of application to come help on your website to look a little bit more aggressive to your competitors, if you might be saying so. So if I put my setup checklist, if you want to check that out, directly into the actual description. So if you want to see more great tools like this, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I told you that both applications are actually going to be really great. They both have an actual trial. If you wanted to try this out, you have the link down below in the description to try this out for more than 1 month, and you can see you can let us know in the comments below what you think about both of the Wix and the Shopify. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, guys, and well, hopefully we can see you next time.